family, this is the Velvet Locks in the kitchen again with another Cooking It Up. Now today I am going to be making something different. This is something I've not tried yet, but I want to try it with you guys, okay? So I'm going to be experimenting today with some cauliflower rice, which I made before, but this is fried rice blended. And that gave me the idea of trying to make like a stir-fried rice type of thing with the cauliflowers. I'm also baking in the oven right now some fried swaii. Well, it's like a tilapia, it's like a flounder type of fish. So we're having that oven baked fried on the side, but this is what I'm going to focus on today, and that's making a stir-fried cauliflower fried rice meal. All right, so let's get with the video. So for now, I have my pan on, and right now it's heating. What I was thinking of doing with this is sauteing some onions and some garlic. So we're going to fry up a little bit of our veggies to start off with some extra virgin olive oil. So I put about a tablespoon of oil in the pan, and we're just going to heat that up. Okay, so I put a teaspoon of garlic in the pan, saute these onions. And now I'm just going to stir fry that up. Now once I get my onions a little bit softer, then I'll come back on camera and show you what I'm going to do next. But in the meantime, just keep stir frying your onions until they're cooked. Now today I got two 1-pound bag cauliflower rice. So I'm going to put both of them in there, being that I'm making this for my whole family, and I got vultures. Vultures like to eat. Alright, so I'm going to put both of them in there. And also stir fry that up as well. Now what I'm going to do in the meantime is I'm going to put some of my Worcestershire sauce in there. Just a little. And I'm also going to put a little teriyaki sauce from my local supermarket. And it says marinade, but I'm just going to put that in my rice for some flavor. Okay, like a teaspoon. And give it that nice fried rice color. Okay, so I'm going to let that simmer down a little bit. Wow, that has a nice taste to it. I'm going to put a little bit more of this marinade. It really gave this a nice taste. Along with a little bit more of this Worcestershire sauce. And it's to the point where you don't have to put any type of seasoning in your vegetables. It really gave it a nice flavor. Now I'm going to turn my flame down and let it simmer for maybe like 5 minutes. Because I don't want my cauliflower rice to get too overly cooked. But I tell you guys, you can tweak this up to however you want. You can scramble an egg on the side and throw that in there and really make it authentic, looking like real stir-fried rice. So I'm going to let that simmer for a little bit. And there it is, you guys. Cauliflower stir-fried rice. And it smells so good, y'all. Oh my gosh. It only took a little bit. You didn't even have to put water in this. Once you put your sauces in there to give it some coloring and added flavor, it's going to automatically steam it itself. You put the top on it, you turn it down low, and that's it. And you're going to end up with a wonderful side dish for your dinner. Okay? So I'm going to show you the final results soon. And just so you guys know what I'm drinking with this, I'm going to be making a nice fruit blend smoothie. I have my orange juice at the bottom. I have a piece of ginger in there. Have my watermelon, and I also have a half a banana. So I'll be blending that up to drink on the side. Alright you guys, so here we go. This wonderful oven fried swaii dinner, okay? And on the side I made a cauliflower fried rice. And this is delicious. It tastes delicious, it looks delicious, it smells delicious. And the fish was oven baked fried. Maybe like 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the pan, bread it and baste it and bread it the same way you would normally do, and just put it in the oven and bake it. And it has so much more flavor. You taste the flavor of the fish. And I also blended my watermelon, banana, orange juice, and ginger smoothie to have on the side as a refreshing drink, okay? So listen you guys, simple, easy, healthy meals that you can whip up in the kitchen. And this is wonderful. Instead of regular brown rice or white rice, you can have cauliflower rice. This is all vegetables. It has carrots, it has onions, it has celery. I mean, it is delicious. And of course cauliflower, as well as some other types of vegetables, okay? So yes, thank you for joining me on this meal and cooking it up in the kitchen, and bon appetit. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button. And also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button. And also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.